In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Google Sites. A drop-down in Google Sites is created by nesting pages, so when visitors hover or tap a main menu item, its sub-pages expand underneath. This keeps your navigation clean, organized, and easy to scan. Start by opening Google Sites in your browser and signing into your account. On the landing page, look for the Recent Sites section and open the site you want to edit. If you manage several sites, select the specific one from your list. Once your site loads in the editor, shift your attention to the right-hand sidebar and switch to the Pages panel. This panel shows your site's structure and is where you'll manage what becomes a drop-down. Identify the page that will serve as your main menu item. Hover over that page name and click the three dots icon, which opens the More Options menu. From there, choose Add Subpage. A small dialog appears asking for the subpage name. Type a clear, concise title that tells visitors exactly what they'll find. Short names work best in menus, and using consistent capitalization keeps things looking polished. When you're happy with the name, click Done. You'll see the new subpage appear directly beneath the parent page in the Pages panel, slightly indented. That indentation means it's nested correctly. In your site's top navigation, the parent page now acts as a drop-down, revealing the subpage when hovered over on desktop or tapped on mobile inside the menu. If you need multiple items in the same drop-down, repeat the same action on the parent page to add additional subpages. You can change the order at any time by dragging subpages up or down in the Pages panel, which updates the menu order instantly. Aim for a small, focused list so visitors don't have to sift through too many options. 1 or 2 levels of nesting is usually enough for clarity. If you don't see the drop-down right away, give the page a moment to refresh in the editor preview. Remember that subpages always show under their parent in the site's navigation, and on mobile, they appear as expandable sections inside the menu. As you build, keep names consistent and avoid special characters that can look odd in menus. That's all it takes. By creating subpages under a parent page, you've built a clean drop-down menu that keeps your site organized and user-friendly. When you're ready to share, preview your site and publish so visitors can see your updated navigation.